Hey everyone, Amber here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all having a wonderful day so far. So in today's video, I just wanted to share with you guys how I upcycled this plain plastic box that some Christmas goodie boxes came into this super fun little craft piece. So this can be super versatile. You can make it without the handle or with the handle, and you can use it for Happy Mail or craft storage. I like to think that this would be perfect for on-the-go crafting. You can just open it up and stick all of your craft supplies that you want to take with you in there. Close it up, and then it has a handle so you can carry it with you to the car, or if you're going on vacation, and you can just take it with you wherever you go. So I think it's super fun and it's really super easy to make. So I'm going to go ahead and get into how I put it together. Alright, so you're going to need, of course, just a plain plastic box. These come with so many different things in them. You can get them from lotion or candy or pretty much anything. So you'll just need a plain plastic box. And then you are going to, of course, need some paper to cover up the outside, and if you want to, the inside as well. On this one, I did both the outside and the inside just so it would look cute all the way around. So for that one, I used the Bloom collection by Maggie Holmes, and for this one, I'm going to be using the Carousel collection. So I have my box here. I have all the paper that's going to be going all around the outside. And then I also have my paper that is going to be going on the inside as well. So I already added some double-sided tape to each piece just so this video doesn't take forever to film. And then I already have my handle done as well. So to make the handle, I didn't measure it the first time. For this box, I just had a piece of scrap paper and cut 2 1-inch pieces off of it. And this one is 8 inches by 1 inch, and I just cut 2 strips and then adhered them together with some of that double-sided tape. So the first thing I'm going to do is put all of the pieces on the outside, and then after that we will attach the handle and then do all the pieces on the inside. Alright, so I have all of my paper put on the outside now. So I just did the front and back the same pattern, and then I did the top, bottom, and both sides the same pattern as well. So now we are going to attach the handle. This is optional. You totally don't have to have a handle if you don't want to. You can just make this into a cute box to send out to a pen pal or to use as storage. So to make the handle, I measured this one out. Like I said, it's 8 inches by 1 inch, and I just take 2 strips together. So you're going to want to score at 1 inch on both ends here. And once you have those score lines in, you just want to fold over on them. And then to give the handle that loop effect, I just like to run my scoring tool along it, kind of like if you're curling some ribbon, just to get that little effect going. So like I said, I did not measure out this paper that I used to make this handle, and I kind of just guesstimated, and I think this handle is going to be a little bit smaller, but it doesn't really matter how big the handle is, it's just to carry it. So to adhere this, I am going to open my plastic box, and then I'm going to just tape down the two little squares we made with those score lines onto the inner part of the lid. And then later we will cover it up with some paper so that it doesn't show and it looks more clean. Alright, so now that I have my adhesive on the inner part here, I am just going to flip the lid back and then just do one side at a time. And you want to get the score line right up against the edge of the plastic here. And try to center it on the lid. And then I like to just pinch down to make sure it's adhered. And now I'm just going to do the other side. And just try to keep it straight with the other side that you adhered down. Just so that way your handle is even. And now when you close your box, you'll have your little handle here to carry it around. So now that our handle is on, we can go ahead and adhere all of our inside pieces. So I'm going to start by adhering the bottom of the lid and then the two flaps. I'm going to do the top and bottom. And then after that, I will move on to adhering all of the paper on the inside. That is a little bit tricky because the box is already made. So I like to just remove the backing of the tape, gently place it in there and don't press down so you can kind of move it around. And then once you have it lined up with the paper on the outside, just secure it down. So that's what I'm going to do now. Alright guys, so that is how you pretty much get the base of the project done. And of course after that it is time to embellish it and make it super cute like I did with this one over here. So this is where I'm just going to leave you guys, and the rest of the video will be a process video of me just decorating up this box to get to the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I think that this is such a great way to recycle something that you would normally throw away, and it comes out super cute and it's super useful. If you do like this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe for more crafty videos like it. And I want to just mention real quick that I did leave a border all the way around my box. I didn't make the paper go edge to edge. Totally up to you and the look that you're going for. But with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll leave you here and I'll see you in my next video.